Let me show you how you can create your resume by using ChatGPT tools. Go to ChatGPT and create the following prompt. You are my resume creator. Next, go to LinkedIn and copy the job description you are interested in the company that is offering this job position. Return to ChatGPT and paste the following information. Job description offered by the company, and some information about yourself like name, email, phone, and address. Next step is to visit InstaResume.io website, create an account and click on Create New. Add your personal details and paste the information given from ChatGPT. You will get an amazing template in seconds. Finally, visit skillsyncer.com website. Create a free account and click on New Scan. It will give you your ATS applicant tracking system score and help you. ATS is a numerical value that indicates how well your resume matches the job description and the employer's preferences. ATS is a tool used by organizations for shortlisting relevant resumes based on specific standard parameters job requirements. So it is really important to take care of that score. If you found that video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.